leave that one, Baba. Get the drone ready. Baba, we get the bait out. I better hold the rod, Baba, 1 second.
That ain't just a being full.
Yeah. Let me check. Ready. When you're ready, Baba. First, you lift up about 10 meters till the bait goes up. Okay. On this side, Baba, on my side.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright. Bit more towards you. Too much. A little bit to me. To me. I think you drop it there. Drop it there, Baba.
Yeah?
Line will fly. Drop it there. Dropped?
I think so.
Small black pinky. Yep. I'm at the Port Arlington. Jetty is across. I'm not at the jetty. It's too busy there. I can see nearly every rock. I walked to other side of the jetty, which is red marker. Alright, we call jetty green marker and the other side the red marker because the entry of the Port Arlington, I'm on the red marker side, dropping in the channel. Today I'm gonna prove we can catch fish here too. We'll see. There's a massive seal right between the markers, green and the red. Before he went in, now he's coming out. There you go. He's got one snapper. He's killing it.
Yeah, it's fine.
Lift it up.
It's not in the water.
I forgot my pen at home. Over there, my daughter's camping. Other side of the rocks. We fly the drone. They're gonna tie the pen and they'll bring it over with the drone. It's a good test for drones capacity. We'll see. Lift it up, lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. Alright, they got the carabiner, upper carabiner on it. And yep. The pan's hooked, coming towards us now. Blender on the tank. Yeah, hold this. I don't like that. But you do that. You do it and put it up here. Boran! 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 Lift it up. Yeah.
The water, yes, the water much better, man. And I will bring it to you. Side there, no worries, side there. Only for
Baba, start. Same, Baba. If it doesn't reef me, I've got a big reef in front of me. This is about 70. And drone cast. Guys, sorry man. It's gonna take a time to bring it in. I can feel it. It's not that big, but not 70. I've got a big reef in front of me. This is about 70.
You want to reel this one in?
No, sorry man. It's gonna take a time to bring it in. I can feel it. Not that big, but not 70.
You could have waited a whole bunch down and grabbed it. Oh, squeezed it.
Huh?
Got the reef.
Give it a time. It will swim back. And I must lose the line from there. No. Open the bail arm. See. Let him swim. Camera wasn't on. My son just pulled this one out. It's about 40 something. You know what? It comes with us for the day. We don't want to go home without a fish. Today we missed two big giant ones. Let's measure it.
Happy with that.
I'm going to rebait it. Got small meter here. Yep.
How much is it?
36.
Is that just over?
36 and over, yeah.
What's over the limit?
This is 28 minutes.
Oh, 28.
You got 36.
Good.
Yeah. Not too bad. 35 maybe.
Uno treba ga ti do partire tanto.
I'll lift it up. I'll lift it up.
Evo imam sad uvod. Vidim kad ide na unutra, se parkiraju čamo. Nisam, evo njega sa crvenom kola, ja donim. Kad ga bacam u tamo. Ej. Jesam, 40 centi, drugi 61. Unutra u kanalu, evo i Turčin je isto dobio jednoga. Dobio izvršni hladni sat. Unutra u kanalu. Unutra, evo ga ti ovaj, da se kure i tanko.
I'll lift it up. I'll lift it up.
Evo i on uvati sad na isto mom mjestu. Znači, da isto mjesto bacam unutra i bacam na to. Evo i on sad uvati. Gledam se ja u neku vidim kako ide tamo.
Not big. I'll lift it up, Luca. I'll lift it up. Traveli.
Zato sam te tražio, nisam ti mogao telefon, slao sam ti ako sa Facebooka, ali ne mogu. Evo kad ti to sve, sad ti to radi.
Yep. Let's go.
Naše.
I swear. It was good. First esky. Sorry.